Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make gravy whale Chole. Begin by soaking chickpeas for 8 hours or use canned chickpeas for speed. Heat oil, toast whole spices, and grind masala for a deep flavor. Sauté onions until golden, add ginger garlic paste, tomatoes, and cooked chickpeas with spice mix. Simmer until gravy thickens, finish with kasuri methi and lemon juice for brightness. Serve hot with batcher or rice. Gather your ingredients before you start to keep the process smooth and stress-free. Chop onions and tomatoes while the chickpeas cook so nothing waits. Toast and grind whole spices for a fresher, brighter masala that lifts the gravy. Prepare ginger garlic paste and have lemon plus kasuri methi ready for finishing touches. This prep habit saves time and ensures each spoonful of Chole is rich and balanced. Start by heating oil and gently frying whole spices to release aroma, then add onions until golden brown. Mix in ginger garlic paste and pureed tomatoes, cooking until the oil separates and the masala is well developed. Add cooked chickpeas with a splash of water and simmer on low so flavors marry and gravy thickens. Finish with kasuri methi and a squeeze of lemon for bright balance before serving.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.